Is your air conditioner not working as well as it should? Or worse, not at all? Meet Eco Green Experts. We pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop that is able to meet all of our clients' needs. Our goal is to provide the highest quality design and installation services on schedule and on budget, along with outstanding customer service. Our services: AC installation, maintenance and repair, pre-season preparation, annual inspections, heating services, commercial. Contact Eco Green Experts. We offer 24/7 emergency service to all of our customers. Call us 613-627-2777. Email info@ecoteam.ca. Our office location 343 Preston Street, 11th floor, Ottawa, on K1S 1N4.